Yo, what's up everybody, ATB here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG display opening. And hear me out on this, guys. I know I told you I've only bought 3 boxes of Ghosts from the Past the Second Hunting, but surprise, surprise, I've bought another one. This is the 4th one, and only because the Ghostware artworks on this set is just incredible. I love it. It's absolutely fantastic, and for me it's reason enough. So let's not waste any time and let's go. Let me know in the comment section below if you have bought some of these boxes, and if yes, let me know what you have pulled and I will come back to you. If you love this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button. With that said, guys, let's keep going. Alright guys, here we are again. You know how it goes. Give me just a moment to take out the blisters from the boxes, and I will see you in a minute. Alright guys, here we are, last round. Let's not waste any time. Wish me luck. Whew. I'm nervous. This time I'm really nervous because it will be the last time we will open Ghosts from the Past. I don't know when I will get some other boxes, but for sure at this time it will be the last. So let's hope everything will just work fine here. Okay, here we go. Nothing, all right. I am really confident, guys, but I'm really nervous. Whew. Please let it be a Ghostware in here, please. And nothing. Oh, not again. So let's talk about the upcoming videos for the next week. Dimension Force will come up soon, and then I have bought another display. It's Legendary Duelist, I think. Legendary Duelist, yeah, Attack from the Deep or Deep Water or something kind of like that, I don't know. But we will do also a display opening from that set, and so stay tuned for more, and I will do my best. Okay guys, here we are again. Let's keep going. Yeah, I like this card. This is beautiful, but it's only ultra rare. Only you knows what I feel. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah, better. Nothing. Yeah, like I said, the pull rates on these Yu-Gi-Oh sets are just trash. These are just super duper trash. Okay, nothing else. Kuribo, winged Kuribo, and again, nothing here, nothing there. Why are there those packs so slippery this time? I don't know. Maybe the gloves. King of the Puppets. Nothing, and nothing. Whew. These are just... Why? Oh, come on, really? Vision. False Prime Deck Laplace and Mardell. Nothing here. All right, let's keep going. See. Oh my god. Why do I love to do it so much? I'm so fucking dumb. Yeah, Numeron 38. Love this card. And nothing here. Woo, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, nothing here. Kogel, Manju, Himmlish Dragon, the Hit of December, nothing. Nothing here in this pack. This was smooth. This was really, really smooth. Okay. No. Again, Numeron 38 and Chaos Griefer. Oh man. I don't understand why they don't keep up putting the pull rates on these sets, because this is honestly, this is just money making for sure. I don't know, because of my partner I didn't spend that much on these sets, but I've heard from other people they have spent way too much for these goes from the past boxes, and the pull rates are miserable. These are just, and for my luck that I had so far, I can't complain, but other people are just raging. Well, Konami, what you can do, the show must go on, right? Oh wait, come on. Vision. Touchcapper. Nothing. Ooh, Aluber again. Woohoo! What do we have here? $5-6? Yeah, $5 to $6. Yeah, come on, you deserve a sleeve. I've pulled it. How much time now? I've pulled it 5 or 6 times. Yeah, but hey, I'm not complaining. This is a good card. Yeah, it's good value. All right, we are almost at the end, guys. Until now, no ghost rare. No ghost rare in sight. Nothing. Again, this Mardell. How many double printed cards are in this set? This is also just a thing that makes me just mad. How much cards doubled are in these boxes? Not only Yu-Gi-Oh, but also Dragon Ball and Pokemon. It's just annoying. This, ooh, Aki Fibrex. Yeah, this is also one of my favorite cards. Woohoo! What are these? Worth five or $3. Yeah, I will let you know in the video afterwards. But I would say let's leave it. All right. Put you to a Luber. Okay, guys, let me check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 blisters left. 4. And at this point I have to say, probably this box is going to be a lose. I hope not, but it's not looking good. Okay, third last pack. Luck, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Yeah, nothing. 2 packs left, guys. Yeah. 2 packs left. Ooh, okay. Yeah, nothing. Oh my god, yep. I'm sorry guys, but this is a loose box. Last blister, last blister. Oh, yep. This is going to be a loose. All right. DD. Oh, please, please, please. All right. Well, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Sometimes you have luck and sometimes you don't. All right. Yeah. The blisters are through. What the hell?
It's not personal. I'm gonna kill myself!
Well, that's just automatically what's going on. Yeah, let's just see the hits from these boxes. Unfortunately, only these 2, but unfortunately, these are good hits. But yeah, Ghost Rider would be better. But yeah, Aluber and Hockey Fibrex. And with these 2, I would say let's end it right here. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, like I mentioned before, next week we will open Dimension Force display from Yu-Gi-Oh! And after that we will open Legendary Duelist, exactly. And yeah, with that said guys, stay healthy, stay out of trouble, you know how it goes. See you next time. Bye.